Good morning, friends. Today we are going to LINDT Chocolate Factory. Today is the last day in Zurich and 11th day of our trip, Switzerland and Paris trip. This is Kinjubach station. We came here by S8 train from Zurich hub, and now we are going to LINDT Chocolate Factory. Just outside the Kinjubach station, you will get the bus for the chocolate factory. But we didn't travel the bus. We will go there by walking. Now, if you want to book the ticket of this chocolate factory, then you can purchase that ticket from online. But I didn't purchase any ticket of this chocolate factory. This is the chocolate fountain. I just randomly visit this place and purchase the chocolates. There are varieties of chocolates in this place, and especially I found that rum chocolates, alcohol chocolates, okay. And one thing more, I want to tell you that if you're going to Switzerland, then try to collect the chocolates at the last moment, because you don't have to carry the chocolates every places, so it will be better. It's my suggestion, but decision will be yours, right? Just enjoy the factory. Enjoy the chocolates. So our 11-day Switzerland and Paris trip is completed today. Now we will go to the hotel for checkout. So our trip is completed now, and this is the Zurich airport. We are returning home, returning to Delhi and then Kolkata. Hope you all enjoyed this video, this series. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment section. I will give you the reply. If you like this video, all these videos, all the episodes, then please do subscribe our channel and please give a like and thumbs up to every videos and share as much as you can to your friends and family members. Take care. Thank you. See you in the next video. And the last episode, I will tell you the full expense of this trip.